Are you stuck on the treadmill, feeling like your fat burn is plateaued? What if I told you the secret to shredding fat and building explosive legs isn't another expensive gym gadget, but something you pass every day? It's time to ditch the dull routine and discover the power of cardio climbing. We get it. Traditional cardio can feel like a chore, and trying to build strong legs without heavy weights often seems impossible. That feeling of a lack of progress is demotivating, right? But this isn't just about movement. It's about max efficiency with minimal impact on your joints. Cardio climbing is a high-intensity exercise that naturally incorporates resistance. It forces your body to work against gravity, skyrocketing your heart rate instantly. This means you burn more calories in less time than steady-state jogging. Plus, every step powerfully engages your glutes, quads, and hamstrings for serious muscle tone. The science is clear. The incline maximizes your VO2 max, meaning your body becomes a fat-burning furnace long after you finish. Beginner tip is start with 15 minutes 2 to 3 times a week. Advanced challenge is try an interval where you sprint up for 30 seconds, then walk down slowly for your recovery period. You'll see a noticeable difference in your endurance and leg definition fast. The beauty is its accessibility. Use the stairs at home, at a park, or at a local stadium. No more waiting for equipment or paying for expensive classes. Your body is ready for this powerful, functional movement. It's time to move up. Find a set of stairs today and commit to just 3 sessions this week. You'll not only break through your fat loss plateau, but you'll unlock a new level of athleticism and leg power. Don't just watch change, be the change. Subscribe now and start your transformation today with ThriveFit Hub.